guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to add a representative to your CRA account. So this is the same for individual or for businesses. So if you need to add your accountant or bookkeeper, this is how you'll do it. So first things first, log in to your CRA account. Obviously, if you're gonna authorize it with your individual account, you need to log into your individual account. And if you're gonna authorize, for your business, then you need to log in for your business account. So it's gonna look the same. So this will be on the left side of when you log in. It looks a bit different, but you need to go to the same place. You need to go to profile. So once you're in profile, you're going to look for the authorized representative box, and then you're going to click add to start adding your representative. So you're going to click start, and then you're going to add the rep ID, group ID, or business number in the search box, and then you're going to click search. So make sure that the representative you're adding, their information is accurate or it matches over here. So if you added like a different rep ID and then it's a different name that's showing up, talk to your representative, your bookkeeper, accountant, whoever, and say, hey, it doesn't match. Don't continue after this step. So step 5 is for businesses only. If you're an individual, you can go ahead and go to step 6. So for businesses, you need to click all accounts and then click next. So all accounts means you're going to give them access to all your accounts. So your HST account, your payroll account, your corporate tax account, or even like if you take dividends, your dividends account. So make sure that you click all accounts, because that would be the access that your representative would need. So this is the same for both individuals and businesses. You need to choose the level that you're going to give them. So level 2 is what you need. So you need to allow your representative access and make account changes. Account changes meaning they can file HST returns for you or income tax returns for you, things like that. Make sure you click does not expire, or else you're going to have to authorize your representative again and again. So just make sure to click does not expire and then click next. And then once you're here on this page, just make sure that the details are accurate, that the name of the representative is the same, and then make sure you tick the box to confirm before you hit submit. Okay, and that's it. That's how you authorize a representative for both your CRA personal account and your business account.